How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can adjust retraction in the Creality slicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through your print setting. Now you can do that by navigating through the printer options at the side or at the top corner of your screen, which is going to be this one. And basically from here, you then want to select your printer. Click on the pencil icon, which allows us to edit our presets. And then you want to click on the extruder one. And from here, we then have the retraction category. In here, you can edit out the retraction length, extra length, Z-hop, and basically everything you need about retraction. After making some changes onto your retraction, or basically after adjusting this the way you want to, you can just click on the save as button to save this as a preset. Now, when adjusting basically the distance right here, you want to increase the distance in the 0.5 or 1 millimeter increments if you are seeing stringing. You want to adjust your speed by increasing the speed if oozing occurs. However, too fast can cause filament grinding, so you have to keep that in mind. So that's how you easily change or adjust the retraction in Creality slicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.